Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add backlink in this website step by step. So watch the full video. Now we'll check DAP of the website. It has domain authority 59 and page authority 54. So it has high domain and page authority. To add backlink in this website, go to starnow.com. Then click on join. Now click on find work. Now scroll down, fill up everything. Put your first name, last name, birthday, email address, password. Put a strong password. Now check this box. Click on register. They send a verification email, so check your email. Now click on confirm your email. Check this box, no previous acting experience. Beginners, continue. You can choose height, weight, those are optional. If you want, you can choose this. Then click on save. Skip for now. Now scroll down. Click on skip this step. Now click on your name, my profile. Here you can add your intro. This is my website description. Now scroll down. You can add your website link here. Click on add your links. Here you can add your website link. Paste it here. Click on save. Now scroll down. Here you can see your website link. This way you can add backlink in this website. If you want to add your Facebook and linking profile link, then click on edit. Here you can add your Facebook page URL. You can also add your YouTube page URL. You can also add linking profile link. Now scroll down, click on save. Scroll down. Here you can see your website link. If I click on the link, then it will redirect to my website. You can also see Facebook, YouTube, linking profile. This way you can add backlink in this website. The website has high domain and page authority, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. So this way you can add backlink in this website. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel, so check my YouTube channel. you will find more video.